The black crowberry is a flowering plant in the heather family with a circumboreal distribution in the Northern Hemisphere. It is a low-lying evergreen and carpet-forming dwarf shrub that reaches heights of up to 50 centimeters. Individual shrubs can become over 80 years old. The elongated needle-like and short-stalked leaves grow up to 6 mm long, about 2 mm wide, and are arranged alternately along the stem. The flowers are small with pink or reddish-purple sepals. Crowberries bloom between May and June. The name crowberry derives from the digestive dissemination by crows. Biologists have explained the striking geographic distribution of crowberries as a result of the bird's long-distance migration, dispersing seeds from one pole to the other. The round fruits are 4 to 6 mm wide and usually black or purplish-black in color. Crowberries taste sour and bitter and have a slightly intoxicating and dizzying effect due to their andromedotoxin content, but they can still be eaten raw or cooked. Crowberries are important for many Nordic cultures. The Sami people in Finland freeze them in milk for winter storage. The Inuit eat them as a delicacy mixed with mashed cod liver. In Iceland, crowberries are kept in sour milk or processed into fruit juice, and in Norway it is used to make crowberry wine. In folk medicine, crowberries were used against scurvy because of their high vitamin C content and against diarrhea thanks to their tannin content. Crowberries can also be grown as a ground cover or as an ornamental plant. The fruit is high in anthocyanin, a pigment that can be used to make a natural food dye. Would you try this berry when venturing through the northern wildlands?